In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and prioritize tasks in Notion. We'll build a simple task system that's clear, flexible, and easy to maintain. Start by creating a database. In a fresh page, type /table and choose Table View FA Database. This gives you a structured place to capture tasks and analyze them later. Add the essential properties so your table becomes truly useful. Create a status property as a select or status type to track progress, with options like to do, in progress, and done. Add a due date property to set deadlines and power calendar views. Add a priority property as a select with high, medium, and low, so you can triage quickly. Then add a project property as a relation and link it to a separate projects database. That connection lets each task roll up to the bigger goals it supports. If you already track projects in a separate database, select it here so each task shows where it belongs. You'll be able to open a project and instantly see all related tasks, keeping context at your fingertips. Next, bring in the Eisenhower matrix right inside the same table. Add two checkbox properties: urgent and important. When both are checked, that's your do list. If only important is checked, that's schedule. If only urgent is checked, that's delegate. If neither is checked, that's eliminate. These simple checkmarks help you decide what deserves attention right now. Layer on the impact versus effort method, sometimes called the Marie matrix. Add two select properties: impact and effort, each with high, medium, and low. Aim to do high impact, low effort tasks first. They deliver quick wins and momentum. You can also grade tasks with the ABCD method. Add a select or text property and tag each task for most important through E for the least. This complements priority by clarifying consequences if a task doesn't get done. Now make your information visual. Create a board view, grouped by status, to manage work Kanban style and drag cards from to-do to done. Add a calendar view based on due date to see what's coming up and balance your week. For daily focus, create a today view by filtering where due date is today. This keeps your daily list tight and actionable. Open this view at the start of the day to commit, and again before you wrap up to prepare tomorrow. Finally, click Sort and sort by priority in descending order so your most important tasks always surface to the top. That's it, a lightweight, powerful task system in Notion you can trust. Thanks for watching.